Do you want 540 calories of this, or do you want 165 calories of this? That is the question to answer in today's video. I'm gonna be showing you how to make homemade Nutella that's high in protein, lower in calories, and tastes amazing. Let's get into the recipe. So this video is inspired by another YouTuber named Chase Barron, who makes his own DIY Nutella, but we're gonna be doing things a little bit differently. First, you're gonna grab your food scale and some kind of a bowl. You're gonna place your bowl to the side of the food scale and place your first ingredient on top, which is gonna be Hershey's cocoa. So we're gonna place this ingredient on top of our food scale, and then we're going to zero it out and make sure it's on the gram setting. We're gonna take about 16 grams from here and place it in our bowl. So that is 5 grams, 12 grams. You get to my point, just get to 16. Then we're gonna take the same process for our pbfit. I'm using pbfit here. It's gonna give it a little bit more of a peanut buttery kind of taste. Who doesn't like that chocolatey peanut butter vibe? And my pbfit is actually in one of these containers because I eat a lot of pbfit. So we're gonna take the same process, zero out our food scale, and make sure that we take about 16 grams out and put it into our bowl. 16.9, same thing. And then for the third ingredient, you're gonna be using a chocolate peanut butter cup type protein powder. For this, I'm gonna be just using the chocolate peanut butter cup protein powder from PE Science, but you can use the Optimum Whey protein powder. Choose a protein powder that you really like. You wanna go for something that's the chocolate peanut butter vibe though. A lot of influencers are sponsored by PE Science, but PE Science is actually not one of the cleanest protein brands according to third-party testing. Like there's stuff in here you don't want to eat a lot of. We're only using 16 grams of this protein powder for this recipe. I personally probably wouldn't want to be someone putting PE Science into my body every single day, given that third-party testing results don't say the best things about the quality of their protein. I have been meaning to check out the Eleni New peanut butter brownie or the Munchies protein powder with this recipe. I know Eleni New is a third-party tested brand that is quite clean, but other sites that you can check out to make sure your protein powder is on the cleaner side is labdoor.com, nsfsport.com, and this website right here, I'll link it below. Place the protein powder on top, zero out the food scale, and take 16 grams from here into this bowl. Oops, come on, 16. Okay, there we go, 16 grams. The next part of this recipe is very, very, very important. In fact, I would say it's the most important and meticulous part of this whole thing. We can be a gram over or under on this measurement, but for this measurement, the pressure's on. This is where we add water to our mixture. If we add too much water, it becomes a soupy, not good thing, and you've just screwed up your mixture. You can add too little too, and it's like chalky. So you wanna add water, warm water preferably, very, very slowly, so slow. When I'm adding water to my mixture, the song in my mind is Sexy Sax Man. Actually, that's not the actual song, it's a George Michael song because it's gotta go slow. So what I do is I warm up a little bit of water in the microwave and then I pour little bits in until it gets to the right consistency. Now that we have our water, we're gonna dump it slowly into our powdered mixture here.
Remember to go slow.
So I went a little bit overboard, but check this out. This is what our mixture looks like so far, and this is what Nutella mixture looks like. We're gonna be adding Hazelnut Extract. I'll link some below. I got it off of Amazon to give it that nutty flavor. But go ahead and just give it a taste right now, just to see what it tastes like. It's pretty good. It's not Nutella, but it's pretty good. Just a teaspoon of this. Just do a little bit. I'm kind of guesstimating here until the flavor gets right. So we added our hazelnut extract, which is the thing that makes it taste like nuttier. Then we're gonna be adding a little bit of 0-calorie sweetener. For this, I'm using Splenda just because it's what I have. Another good artificial sweetener you can use, I'll link below. It's from Amazon. It's a stevia powder. So I'm gonna do 3 packets of this. Stevia powder that I recommend is also a good option. It is really great in coffee. I just don't have any of that. So we're gonna just go with this. I'm gonna do 3 packets. This is so good. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. I cannot believe this has 23 grams of protein. Like how? Amazing. Homemade high protein DIY. Just figuring out how to make your favorite foods for less calories is gonna be a lifesaver for you when it comes to getting in the best shape of your life. Remember that the process of being fit and looking amazing and feeling amazing doesn't have to feel like a huge chore. I mean, we don't all have to become green juice drinking, non-Cheeto eating type people. Although we obviously wanna limit processed foods to a certain extent just because they're hyper palatable and they're not very filling. Because this is a whole 23 grams of protein per serving. It's gonna be much more filling to you than eating the same amount in Nutella, not to mention significantly less calories. There's so many ways to eat this. The way I like to eat it is I like to put it in my Greek yogurt bowls. You guys know I love to do Greek yogurt bowls to satisfy my craving at night. I'll basically eat the same thing when I'm dieting or when I'm maintaining. The only difference is I just add more calories when I'm maintaining. And that, my friends, is really the key to creating
a lifestyle.
Just finding the stuff that makes it work for you. Now, something like a simple tip that I might do when I'm dieting is I will use this Nutella, my homemade DIY Nutella, and then when I'm trying to put on muscle or maintain, I might just use regular Nutella. The other thing I might recommend to save you some time is to batch make your Nutella and put them in these mason jars. I got these off of Amazon, I'll link them below, but this way you have a bunch of fitter Nutella, healthier, leaner, whatever we're calling it.
What are we calling it?
This way you can have a full batch for the week in a jar, ready to go. Make it a part of your meal prep routine if this Nutella becomes a daily staple for you. I don't wanna ruin your relationship with Nutella. Every once in a while, have a little bit of regular Nutella. Eat this while you're dieting, take some breaks and have a little bit of this from time to time so you don't forget how good it is, and just enjoy. Enjoy your life, enjoy your Nutella, live the good life. Other remakes of favorite foods you want to see, comment down below, because in this new series we're all about making our foods leaner, tastier, better. Maybe not always better because they're leaner and significantly less calories, but you get my point. I have to be honest with you that this real Nutella is good for a reason, but this, I mean, come on. So good! In other news, I'm going to be launching a cookbook where I will be taking recipes from restaurants, things like Nutella, and I am going to be showing you how to make them leaner, better, higher protein. If you are interested in getting on the wait list for this cookbook, use the link below to sign up. When you give me your email in this link, I'm not gonna like spam you a bunch of crap before the cookbook goes live. I'm going to be giving you a 50% discount on the cookbook. So you can save a ton of money, get first access to the cookbook. If you wanna learn how to make other things besides Nutella, then definitely sign up for this wait list. And if the cookbook's already live, I'll include a link for it down below. All right, love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. So good.